Hey, Algebra 2 students, Mrs. Landon here. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what you can expect over the next few weeks in our Algebra 2 course as you're doing your e-learning. In particular, let's focus on week 1. If I click into the calendar here and we look at an overview, week 1, for some of you already have a portion of it done. Mrs. Anderson also teaches this course and she hasn't started chapter 7 yet, so we're going to start fresh. On Tuesday is when you guys first meet. Remember, odd hour days are going to start on Tuesday and then just rotate every other. Monday is your even hours. So fifth hour, we start on Tuesday, and then we'll meet again officially on Thursday. Other thing to keep in mind is the school day is from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. And your fourth hour technically runs from 10:30 to 11:45. Now, I highly encourage a lot of you just to use that time and schedule it to do your Algebra 2, but it's not expected that you actually sit down on your computer and do your work at that time. I recommend either doing it at that 10:30 or for sure making certain you get it done by the 3 p.m. school day so you make sure not to get behind. Let's take a look at it. So on Tuesday, we're going to do the homework on section 7.1 and take notes, which a lot of you have already done. On Thursday, we're going to do video notes and do homework on 7.2 part 1, which you've already have been assigned. There's a part 2, though, which you have not been assigned yet, and a 7.2b that you haven't been. So once we start Thursday, some of this material will be new for those of you that already have the homework done. If we take a quick overview of just what to see for chapter 7, when we come in that next week, we're going to meet on a Monday and do section 7.3. We're going to have a formative quiz on that Wednesday. We're going to do section 7.4 on that Friday. Then we're going to come on Thursday and do section 7.4 or 7.4 review and get some of your work checked online. Then we'll do section 7.5 on Thursday. Come back on, this is the 4th week here. We're going to do some review of chapter 7, a Kahoot on chapter 7 on this Wednesday. And we are going to wrap it up with an online test on Friday, April 24th. So we are going to spend 4 weeks on chapter 7. Let me show you how the folders are set up. So if you click into chapter 7 here, it's actually organized by day. So we're going to meet again on Tuesday, the 31st. And it says here what we're going to do is take notes and do the assignment. I basically, for this assignment here, we have 6 steps. Again, you should have done this already, but if you haven't, the first thing you're going to do is watch video notes on 7.1ab, then do the green puzzle piece. Notes on 7.1c, green puzzle piece, 7.1d, green puzzle piece. If we click into the folder, you did do notes online before on your own. This right here is the textbook, though, of section 7.1, so feel free to pull up this PDF if you like. But what you're going to want to do is just take some notes on this particular video here, 7.1ab, and then just go to the homework online and do these 2 green puzzle pieces. Then here's 7.1c and the puzzle piece, 7.1d and its puzzle piece, and then upload your work that you did for sections C and D. Now, at any point in time, you're going to also see for some of these, like the video for 7.1c also has a quick overview of the PDF. You definitely want to watch the video. That's the primary focus. If you want a quick reference after you do that, you can look at the actual PDF note documents. Then if we go in and let's take a look at Thursday, April 2nd. Again, assignment, and we're going to do some notes on 7.2. There's basically 5 steps here. Take notes on 7.2a, do the green puzzle piece part 1 and part 2. Again, we were already assigned the part 1. Part 2 is new though. Now come in and take video notes on 7.2b and do the green puzzle piece. If we click in on this, it's going to be structured very similar to the day 1 folder. Again, the textbook, here's a PDF quick overview of 7.2a. Listen to the notes again, especially since we've been gone for spring break in that week before. If you need a refresher in 7.2a, maybe get your old notes out, play this video and listen to it. If you haven't done this one yet, do part 1. If you already have, then go to part 2. And then here, upload your work for 7.2 A that you did. And then for 7.2b, here's the video and the work for that. And that is really going to be the end of your week 1, you guys. Now, when is everything due in terms of deadlines? We're more stringent now. The deadline for homework isn't the day of the test. Your deadline is going to be your next class period. So if we look at the calendar, On Tuesday, you're assigned 7.1. If you haven't done it yet, the deadline is Thursday at 9 a.m. Any work submitted after that next class day at 9 a.m., it can only earn up to 50%. So you no longer have a few weeks to get the homework in. You're now going to have 2 days. Possibly, if we look at the next one, when what's assigned to you on Thursday, that deadline is going to be the Monday. So you're going to also have the weekend to catch up and get that done. That deadline is Monday at 9 a.m. So be very thoughtful about staying on target with what's going on. The other thing is, what if you're stuck on the homework and you're really struggling? Or even if you're just stuck and you aren't even, you're kind of just struggling, but you want some clarity. You guys email me. That's what we're doing in the online environment. Please be proactive. My email is landon@277apps.org. Be careful, Landon D isn't me. I'm not going to get that email. Please reach out to me. If I notice you're not doing your daily homework, I'm going to reach out to you on email and say, how can I help you? How can I get you going? Because the key to this class is I do not want you to get far behind in terms of the assignments. That's why I'm more stringent on the daily assignment deadlines to keep you on pace, because it's going to be easy for you to want to slide and not do your work. Don't do that. Don't get caught into that pattern. Try to get your homework done between 9 and 3 p.m. and just call it done. If you want to wake up right away in the morning at 8 a.m. and start your homework, awesome, excellent. If you want to wait till that scheduled time of fourth hour at 10:30, that's fine too. You do have that nice flexibility. I know you can do this. Just stay focused, and again, use the email to reach out to me with questions. Send me screenshots of work if you're struggling or if you need some pointers. You got this. Just stay on pace and have a great start to the first week of your e-learning, which starts on Tuesday. Good luck.